The 2019 Honda Pilot, and now we're doing the inside side mount lights. I don't really think you can call these dome lights, but we're gonna call them the ones on the sides. And pretty much to get to it, these are just pressed on. Okay, so I recommend using a plastic trim remover to get into these. And there's gonna be 4 locations you want to pry. It'll be 1, 2, 3, and 4. So I already have this kind of half off. So let's say if I was to remove this part, you're gonna put it right here, and it'll pop out. And you can see these little clips right here. They go into here. Okay, let's see if I can point it with this. They go 1, 2, 3, and 4. So once you take out the 2 front ones, are the easy ones. It'll pop out and it'll be hanging out like that. So at this point, don't just pull it out, because this part is gonna go in here, and you can actually break the arm. So what you want to do is put it straight and then start to pry it until you pop it out. Okay, you just take your time and just keep going it until it pops out. And at that point, your bulb is right here. Same thing as always, use gloves or use some type of microfiber cloth to get these out, because they might be hot. These are cold, so I just pop it out like that. Just put it to the side. Get your new T10, okay? Just slide it in there. Pretty much you're good, okay? Just make sure it's straight. This one is not as one fit like the other ones. So make sure it's straight as possible, and then you want to test it. And there you go. So we actually had the power off from over there in the module, the control module. So at that point, right now it's on auto, so it says the doors are open. But if you were to take off the actual automatic sensor or close all the doors, it'll shut off. But as you can see, it's right there. Okay. So this is why you want to keep this bulb in place as centered as possible, because any slight movement, it turns it off. So you want to make sure you line it up and have it straight, okay? So the cool thing about these bulbs is that they have a little fuse on it. So in case you happen to cause any shorts, it'll blow out the bulb first and not cause any damage to your car or pop your fuses, okay? So at this point, you're done. What I recommend, again, also turn off the power. Okay, that turns off the whole power for the inside. And at this point, grab your little shield, put it in place again, and you're good. So now we can turn it back on again. And pretty much at this point, you're good to go. You're done.